Hey everyone. Hopefully you can hear me over my cold. So I have a jade plant here that has two things going on. One, it needs a trim because we got the lean going here. And you can prune these about twice a year, and you're going to want to prune it right above a leaf node here. I think it's best also if you don't get into the woody part. But if it's leaning and on its deathbed, give it a cut. So my other problem is I have an infestation, I believe, of woolly aphids. So let me cut one of these for you here, and I'll bring it closer. So hopefully we can get this to focus here. If you guys can see that. All kinds of white spots, and this is really what I see a lot of. It's like this fluffy looking stuff here. So that's no good. So what I'm gonna do first is trim everything down, and then I'm gonna give it a rinse in the shower, which is where we are right now, and then we are gonna spray it, completely saturate it with insecticidal soap. I have this BT, or not BT, sorry, Bonade here. They have really good products, so I've had to do this a couple times now. They're persistent in my houseplants, so all right, I'm gonna get started then. So taking in closer here, you can see we've got quite a few bugs on every leaf here. And some of them, they were actually even deforming the leaves. Here you can see it on this one a little bit. So I should have caught this sooner, but my focus was outside. So one more thing about these jade plants is that your cutting that you can take, or that you took. Oh, let me grab one here. So this little guy, I could take all his leaves off here besides the top couple. And stick him in some rooting hormone and in his own little pot, if he wasn't diseased, and he would be just fine. So that's how all of these started. Was from a plant at work that got too big and tipped itself over. So, all right, we're gonna give her a shower next. Okay, next, insecticidal soap. And you want to saturate every piece of this. And the best part about this stuff is that it makes your leaves really shiny. So I'm also going to kind of like rub it in to all of them, so to make sure that I touch all those bugs that I got going on here. When you're rinsing off, too, make sure that you don't get too much water in your pot. Jade plants don't like a whole lot of water. Oop, knocked a leaf off. I have also grown some of the jade plants from leaf, just like you kind of succulent. So like this one that fell off, that one could grow into a new one. All right, hopefully I got them all good. So this plant will go into quarantine then, away from all the other plants, so it doesn't infest those as well. And then I'm going to check it again probably daily just to make sure, and I'll spot treat it. And then once it's good for like 2 months, probably I'll put it back in. All right, thanks for joining.